How do I jump-start a car? Jump-starting a car is a straightforward process that can help start a vehicle with a dead or weak battery using the power from another vehicle's battery. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to jump-start a car safely. Materials needed. Jumper cables. Make sure they are in good condition and have sufficient length. A vehicle with a fully charged battery to provide the jump start. Step-by-step guide. Position the vehicles. Park the vehicle with the good battery close to the one with the dead battery. Make sure both vehicles are in park or neutral and turn off the ignition of both cars. Identify the positive and negative terminals. Locate the battery terminals on each vehicle. The positive terminal is marked with a symbol, usually red, and the negative terminal is marked with a symbol, usually black. Connect the jumper cables. First, connect one end of the red jumper cable to the positive terminal of the dead battery. Next, connect the other end of the red jumper cable to the positive terminal of the good battery. Then, connect one end of the black jumper cable to the negative terminal of the good battery. Finally, connect the other end of the black jumper cable to an unpainted metal surface away from the dead battery. This could be a bolt or a bracket on the engine block. Start the engine of the vehicle with the good battery. Start the engine of the vehicle with the good battery and let it run for a few minutes. This will help charge the dead battery. Start the vehicle with the dead battery. Attempt to start the engine of the vehicle with the dead battery. If it starts, leave it running for a few minutes to allow the alternator to charge the battery further. Disconnect the jumper cables. Remove the black jumper cable from the unpainted metal surface on the vehicle with the dead battery. Next, remove the black jumper cable from the negative terminal of the good battery. Then, remove the red jumper cable from the positive terminal of the good battery. Finally, remove the red jumper cable from the positive terminal of the dead battery. Drive the vehicle with the jump-started battery. After jump-starting the vehicle, drive it for at least 15 to 20 minutes to ensure that the battery gets fully recharged by the alternator. Remember to be cautious while jump-starting a car and follow the steps carefully. If you are unsure about the process or encounter any problems, it's best to seek assistance from a professional or a roadside assistance service. Additionally, be aware that jump-starting may not work for a severely damaged or old battery, and in such cases, it may need to be replaced.